Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara and I am a second year electronics engineering student at HSHL Lippstadt, and in today's video I will show you how I prepare for my exam. I will take you through a week of my exam preparation. My first exam was in engineering design and it was different for me because it was all about mechanical design. We had to practice 3D designs, work on dimensions, and think differently to draw them. There was also some theories. And I've already shown you about that course in my previous video, and now I'm doing my math because my second exam was math and I had some time to revise, so I went through all my worksheets and homework again, making sure I understood every concept. I was in the same time I was making my cheat sheets, and cheat sheets are allowed in math exam, only in math exam. And a cheat sheet is a single page where you can write anything you want about that subject, maybe formulas, theories, or notes. It's usually written by hand and you can use both sides of the page, but it has to fit on just that one page, and you have to use pen, not pencil, and maybe you can use color pen as well. That was Sunday morning, and while I was studying, I heard a church bell, and it's really peaceful and I really like it. Usually, I work on Sunday, but for the exam, I skipped work and focused only on studying. In the meantime, it was time for lunch, so I quickly prepared something. I fried some mushroom and boiled some pasta because today I'm having pasta and it's easy to make. I can even save some for my dinner. I don't want to spend too much time cooking since I need to focus on studying. So this is perfect. After finishing lunch, I got back to my math homework. I kept practicing and solving new problems. I didn't want to waste any time, so it's just time to study. In the evening, I went out for a walk and also needed to buy things from Netto. After shopping, I headed back home to continue my work, but I will show you some street view on the way, and the city looks really nice with beautiful buildings, and the streets are usually empty since it's a small town. I told you before that there are two churches near my home. One is in the city center, which I often show you from my window. The other one is behind my home in the opposite direction, so I cannot see it from my window. It's really close, beautiful, and big. I really like it. This one is a Catholic church, while the city center church is Anglican. From the outside, though it looks ancient and old, I don't know exactly how old it is, but it definitely feels historic. I really like this place because it's peaceful. Some people come here with their dogs and others just walk around. I haven't entered this church often, maybe just once last year, because most of the time it's locked, but even from the outside it's really beautiful. I feel calm and peaceful just being around it. When I go for a walk, I sometimes pass by and take a different road just to enjoy it. I'm really curious to explore the church, but it's usually locked. I bought a tiramisu from Netto because I wanted something sweet. I tried this Italiano tiramisu before and it's really good. I really like it and I will have it as a snack. So yeah, that's my little treat for today. The next morning was the exam day. My exam was at 10 o'clock, so I had to wake up early. I started my morning by making tea because I always need tea to kickstart the day. I also finished preparing my cheat sheet. It's full of handwritten formulas and theory. That's my cheat sheet looks like. And look, what's that? Honestly, I found it kind of cute. Dude, what are you doing here? After that, I was in a hurry running to the exam hall. I was like to get there at least 30 minutes earlier. The exam wasn't too bad. It went well. After coming back, I was thinking, okay, it's done and I need to focus on the next exam. So after coming back, I had some chips and strawberry juice to refresh myself, but I didn't have much time to relax because the next day I had audio video exam literally the next day. So I have to prepare myself. I need to study whole day. As I mentioned earlier, the audio video technology course is really different. As an electronics engineering student, I didn't expect this subject in my curriculum, but it's actually quite interesting for me. In this course, we learned about pixel, color channels, some JPEG, image compression, and some math and some theories. That's it. And I also asked ChatGPT to help me. I spent my time studying, revising, and doing some exercise from the module our professor gave us for practice. I was fully focused on practicing and reviewing all the materials. I had some leftover biryani that I cooked earlier, so I had it for lunch today. After lunch, I got back to studying. This time, I decided to change my study spot and sit on the floor. I like studying on the floor because it gives me a different environment. Sitting in the same chair all the time can get boring, so to avoid that boredom, I sat on the floor. At that time, the weather turned bad and it started raining. The rain created such a nice atmosphere. It was the perfect environment to study while listening to it. And the next day, I was really worried about the exam. Even though it was the last exam, I was nervous because it was mostly about theories and understanding, not so much math. You really have to understand the concept and then practice. So I was a bit stressed. Anyways, that's the last exam. By the way, this is the hall where our exam took place. After finishing the exam, I took the bus and it was definitely not the easy exam, but my second semester exam were finally over. That's all for today's vlog. See you in the next video. Bye!